Okay, good morning, students. Today's my topic is the pair of angles. Okay, and before teaching the pair of angles, I want to teach you about the parallel lines. Okay, so I just want to discuss little bit about parallel lines. Parallel lines means the lines which do not meet to each other, no matter however you extend the lines. Okay, like you see here in this diagram, I have shown line P and line Q. Two lines are here. You see here, line A, P, and line Q. Two lines are here. If these two lines do not meet to each other, okay. However, no matter however you extend the lines, okay, you extend both the line in both the direction, in whichever direction you extend. If they do not meet to each other, means they will be called the parallel lines. And the very simple thing which you need to know, that the distance between two parallel lines are equal everywhere. Like if the distance between this P line and Q line, okay, between these two lines, okay, if the distance is suppose 2 centimeter, from here to here, if it is 2 centimeter, then from here to here it will remain 2 centimeter. From here to here also it will remain 2 centimeter only. Okay, means the distance between the lines never increases or decreases. Okay, it remains same always in the case of parallel lines. Okay, so line P and Q are the parallel lines. You try to understand it. Okay, here again you see line R and line S, RS line. Okay, R is one line, S is one line. These two lines are also parallel lines because they do not meet. If you extend this both the line, okay, if you measure the distance between these two lines using your scale, then you will find that distance between these two lines are equal everywhere. Okay, so that is why these R and S two lines are also parallel lines. Okay, but you see here line A and line B. You see here line A and line B. If you see the distance here, it can be 3, then here if you see it can be 1. So if you extend these two lines to some extent, okay, then definitely these two lines will meet each other. Okay, so I have in the beginning only I have to already told you that the parallel lines never meet to each other. Okay, they never meet, they do not meet to each other. So if but if you extend these two lines, then these two lines will meet. It means these two lines are not parallel lines. Okay, one thing. Another, I have already told you that the distance between two lines should be equal everywhere. Then only the lines will be called parallel lines. So you can with your eyes only you can understand whether these two lines are parallel or non-parallel. Okay, so these two lines are non-parallel lines because the distance, if the distance is here, whatever distance is here, this distance will be smaller than this distance. Okay, so definitely these two lines cannot be a parallel lines. So these two lines can be called non-parallel lines, and by with our naked eyes we can understand these two lines are also non-parallel lines. Okay, so and these two lines are also non-parallel lines. So this is the first understanding about the parallel lines or non-parallel lines. And one more thing I want to tell you here, that the third line which okay, intersect both the line is called transversal. Like if I draw one line like this, or 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 if I draw one line like this, in whichever way, if I draw one line which intersect both the line, join both the line, that is called transversal of the line. Okay, so this line, like suppose it is A, it is B, it is C, it is D, it is E. Okay, suppose how many lines I have drawn here? 5 lines which are intersecting the parallel lines P and Q. Okay, P and Q are the parallel lines, and these two parallel lines are intersecting by these 5 lines. Okay, so all these 5 lines are called transversal. Remember this is called transversal. Okay, what is it called? Transversal. So so I have already told you that transversal, like I can draw the transversal here also. So this line segment is intersecting these parallel lines. Okay, so this is called transversal. Okay, so this line is intersecting these non-parallel lines. This is also transversal. This is also transversal. This is also transversal. Try to understand. Okay, this is also transversal, this is also transversal, okay, this is also transversal. So is simply join two parallel lines means this is transversal, okay, this is transversal, this is also transversal, this is also transversal, this is also transversal, you can see here this is also transversal, okay, this is also transversal. So transversal means the line other than the parallel lines, okay, which intersect both the parallel lines in two places, okay, so that is called transversal. So these all are the transversal. So the very primary things to read about before you learn about pair of angles, okay, before learning about pair of angles we must learn about parallel lines and non-parallel lines as well as the transversal. You might have understood this, okay, thank you. In the next video again I will give you the next video. In that video I will discuss about the pair of angles, okay, and with the help of parallel lines and transversal we will discuss about the pair of angles, and I'm sure that you will understand that, okay, thank you.